Get ready for a roaring good time with Discovery Toys Dino Works. First up, Tyrannosaurus Rex, or T-Rex for short. Next up is our Triceratops. And lastly, the newest dinosaur to our line is the Pterodactyl. Each dinosaur is equipped with wheels under their feet for rolling across smooth surfaces. Also included is a manual screwdriver with a unique tip that fits perfectly into the screws. This allows the child to easily take apart and put together the dinosaurs. Dino Works will help to develop hand-eye coordination along with fine and gross motor skills. It will help the child strengthen their fingers and refine those pincher skills needed for printing by hand. They will also experience assembling parts to whole and develop visualization and spatial thinking. As the child disassembles and reassembles Dino Works, it will foster repetitive puzzle play in 3D and help to develop tactile thinking skills. It will also help to build confidence with manual tools. Dino Works is sure to engage your child in imaginative play.